Joining us as the clock ticks down to the announcement of the Maharashtra and Jharkhand election results. The air is thick with anticipation, suspense, excitement. The exit polls have sparked a flurry of debate, with critics dismissing the numbers as unreliable. They say, when have they got it right? The Netas are busy posturing and the power tussle has already begun. In Maharashtra, the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance is locked in a fierce battle with the opposition, MVA, the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi. The stakes are high, with both sides claiming confidence in their victory. The BJP is counting on its strong performance in the Lok Sabha polls, while the MVA is banking on its ability to rally the opposition together. In Jharkhand, the JMM Congress RJD alliance is facing off against the BJP-led NDA. The exit polls have predicted a hung assembly, with the JMM emerging as the largest party. However, the BJP is confident of its chances, citing its strong organizational machinery and voter outreach programs, courtesy the RSS. As the result unfolds, the nation will be watching with bated breath. Who will emerge victorious? That's the question. Will the exit poll prove accurate? Will there be surprise in store? One thing is certain, viewers, the outcome will have far-reaching implications for national politics. As we count down to result day, just hours left now, we will delve into the power dynamics that's at play. Who's activating the hotlines with which party and which leader? And is there a surprise? We don't know what the results have, but we have a surprise in the show. We will go beyond psephology, talk about the election horoscope with the OG, poll pundits, the astrologers joining the show.
घंटे के अंदर में सीएम का घोषणा होगा। 48 तास रहते हैं। 48 रिजल्ट के बाद तो 12 घंटे के अंदर में सीएम का फेस महाविकास आघाड़ी का होगा।
We have not discussed anything about the CM phase. After the results come, we will sit down and we will discuss.
कार्यकर्ता का ये विश्वास रहेगा कि एकनाथ शिंदे जी ही अगला मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, फिर से मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, क्योंकि जो इलेक्शन है वो एकनाथ शिंदे जी के ही नेतृत्व में लड़ा गया था।
भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं को लगता है देवेंद्र जी सीएम होना चाहिए, लेकिन पक्का है कि हमारा केंद्रीय पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड और तीनों नेता बैठकर योग्य निर्णय करेंगे।
वैसे राहुल गांधी पूरे देश में संविधान और दलित का पाठ पढ़ाते रहते हैं, पर किस प्रकार से दलित विरोधी मानसिकता है ये बार बार राहुल गांधी दिखाते हैं।
Who has the edge in elections? We don't know the man who's given us the numbers on Times Now. JVC is with us. We have the JVC exit poll numbers, also the poll of polls, and we will ask JVC all the tough questions, lest we are accused of being soft on the pollster. And it's not just the anchor who gets to ask, even all the panelists will have that opportunity to grill JVC. JVC is here in the studio, so are our other guests. Sanju Verma, the BJP national spokesperson, JVC Sriram, political commentator, who's given us the numbers, Varun Singh, senior journalist, someone who understands Maharashtra, Krishna Hegde, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena Shinde faction, Gaurav Chachra, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Lokesh Jindal, here in the studio, political analyst Vivek Srivastav, also with us, your favorite, Sajid Supariwala, Shiv Sena Uddhav faction spokesperson, completes the panel. And in some time from now, viewers, as I promised, we will be joined by two astrologers. So it will be psephology versus astrology, the election horoscope. I want to start with you, Sanju Verma. The opposition says the BJP will have to eat the humble pie. The poll projections, the exit poll numbers will go horribly wrong, like they've gone wrong in the past.
I don't want to use my takya kalam ki opposition ko Mungeri Lal ke sapne dekhne ki aadat ho chuki hai. I'm sure that the opposition feels that, Maharashtra में वही होगा जो हरियाणा के एग्जिट पोल्स में हुआ था, जब लोगों ने कहा बीजेपी को मुंह की खानी पड़ेगी, and lo behold, BJP rode home to a thumping victory. I think this time around, let me, say it without any qualms. The exit polls are going to be right. महाराष्ट्र में महायुति की भयंकर जीत होने वाली है, and I'll tell you why. I think let's not forget one thing, that in the last 1.5 years, the Janta, the electorate has seen that the Congress promised the moon to the people of Himachal Pradesh. अब हिमाचल प्रदेश में ये हालत है that pensioners की बात छोड़िए, salaried employees with the government are not getting their paycheck on time. Point number 1. Point number 2. कर्नाटका में कहा था हम 10 kg free rice देंगे हर महिला को, and at the end what happened? They failed their promises and they started blaming Food Corporation of India. Food Corporation की गलती है कि सिद्धारमैया अपने प्रॉमिस पर खरे नहीं उतर पाए. Look at the audacity of this entire lot. These guys said, we will give you electricity free in Karnataka, we will give you milk free, we will give you, affordable houses at discounted rates. They raised milk prices by 2 rupees a litre. They raised petrol and diesel prices by 3 rupees a litre. They are now planning to increase prices of medical devices in government medical colleges and hospitals. They raised stamp duty and affordable housing by 250%.
No,
They raised
Sanjeev Verma,
electricity prices.
Listen, I understand the larger point you're making. I only wanted to get your sense about, this opposition view that the numbers will go wrong. Let's bring in
I
the
will
man
just
who's
end
given
by
us the
saying one
numbers. Sanju Verma, I'll come to you. JVC is here. JVC, if the numbers don't hold true, let's first put the numbers on your screen. Do you want to revise your numbers? You have one final chance to revise your numbers. There's the chart. Do you want to revise the numbers?
Good evening, Pranesh. Good evening to my fellow panelists and the viewers. Yesterday also you asked me the same question. I gave the answer and I hold on. I'm telling you very clearly, 150 is the minimum for Maga UT. If at all my exit poll, anywhere there is a deviation, it could be only a few seats can be added to Maga UT, but I've been very careful to ensure, and I've been very cautious to ensure that that may not happen, because probably BJP will mount a serious challenge in some of the seats like Latur, both the Latur seats, and also probably in the seat of Nana Patol and even in Worli. But eventually, the Maga Vikas Aghadi will prevail over in those places.
Give us the split. How much in Western Maharashtra?
How much in I've already given the split.
Out of in Vidarbha, what is your prediction in Vidarbha?
So in Vidarbha, Maga UT is taking a small lead. In Marathwada,
How many?
So, see, I've given the numbers. The numbers have been published day before yesterday. Region-wise, we had published it. Northern Maharashtra, there is a big sweep which the BJP alliance is taking. Somewhere between 21 and 23 seats they will win. In Vidarbha, somewhere around 32 to 36 seats they will be winning. And in
So you are giving
Marathwada,
lead to Mahayuti in all the 7 divisions.
see, understand please, in Vidarbha,
Now, what about the issues related to soya bean? What about the issues related to onion?
I'm
What
coming
about
to
the
onion is a
farmer
done and
unrest?
dusted.
What about
Vidarbha is not.
listen, wait a minute. What about the issues that
See,
are
exactly.
with respect to the Vidarbha region? What about the unemployment?
correct.
What about
See,
the Mahayuti not being able to satisfy the entire farmer law? In fact, the entire cooperative dairy sector is
No,
upset.
that question, no, 1 minute. The political question will be answered by the.
No, I will answer.
He will
answer. No, I'll give you.
He's-
Pranesh, I'll give him the things. See, Amravati is one place where there is a soybean issue in Vidarbha. Certainly in Amravati district, the Maga Vikas Aghadi is doing well. In Marathwada, in many places, Maga Vikas Aghadi is doing well. In fact, Maga Vikas Aghadi, I have given close to around 26 to 29 seats in Marathwada.
Where is Mahayuti doing well in Vidarbha? You are given Amravati to the
Nagpur.
Mahavikas Aghadi.
Nagpur.
In Nagpur, how many seats you are expecting?
See, in Nagpur, probably,
Either one or two.
see, 1 minute.
Out of the 12
I
seats, out of the 12 seats,
Nagpur Central, take it from me, Nagpur Central is a tough fight.
Nagpur West goes to
Nagpur
Congress.
West, tomorrow we will debate.
We will-
Tomorrow we will
Nagpur
debate.
West
Nagpur
goes
West,
to
no.
Congress.
Nagpur West, no.
Nagpur North
Now,
goes
wait,
to
Srivastava,
Congress.
how can we have that debate right now?
Nagpur
Numbers,
Southwest.
result कल आएगा अभी आप बोल रहे हैं कि अभी कर लो ये तो
अभी तो सर्वे करके आए हैं ना
There are 2 seats.
and he is a local
There are-
right.
Exactly.
See,
I'm
JVC.
giving you
JVC.
2 seats. I'm giving you 2 seats, Nagpur Central and Nagpur North. These are the seats where.
What about Nagpur West?
West.
See, I am giving. See,
On
I'm
what
giving
basis are
my
you-
poll. See,
do you
can't
even
say-
know what is
you
the
can't
ground
put your-
reality in
see,
Nagpur?
you can't-
No, 1 minute.
See,
Let him answer. Once you ask him a question,
See,
let's
you
be
asked me a
patient.
question.
Yeah.
Okay, now
This is not
there
a
is another
Chakravarti.
pollster
Yeah,
who
you
is
can
giving
ask him a
175 to
question.
200.
Yeah.
There is another pollster who is giving 140 to 160. I have given 150 to 167 and predominantly.
I'll come on 1 minute. No, Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. 1 minute.
See, Western Maharashtra, I will tell you one thing. In Western Maharashtra, in Western Maharashra, Mahayuti will sleep.
Calm down. JVC 1 minute. Lokesh, there are others also. Bhai, ऐसे मत
It's a
करिए.
joke of the day, Pranesh. Western
वो कल पता चल जाएगा. Joke of the day, joker of the day, सब कल पता चलेगा. If the numbers
he
don't
has
hold
to eat his word. He has to eat his word in
If the
Telangana.
numbers hold, the numbers given by JVC, if the numbers hold, JVC will break into a dance here. You will have to dance. JVC.
And we will have to watch.
we'll clap.
The worst thing we will have to watch.
करेंगे विवेक श्रीवास्तव अब और क्या कर सकते हैं हम लेफ्ट you know what can the left do?
No, Congress is with me.
Left.
नहीं, अरे भाई इतना research करके Lokesh has come from Nagpur and he has been an active part of the campaign.
This research according to JVC and Sanju Verma will be useful in the next elections. ये election तो गया. Lokesh का अभी जो research है वो आगे काम आएगा. अब Varun is also from Maharashtra. He also has a thing or two to say. Varun, do you agree with the assessment of JVC?
See, I would say that what JVC said when he was introducing his numbers, he made a very substantial point about the numbers for Mahayuti will increase, not come down. And why I agree with him is because of the factor that the voting percentage and especially the increase of women voting percentage by 6% is what something adds to the Mahayuti's numbers, because women Ladki Bahin scheme is a hit not only in the rural part but even in urban centers. And in many urban centers, the ek hai to safe hai and batenge to katenge have worked. And when I say urban areas, I don't mean only Mumbai, Pune. I also mean to say those urban areas of Amravati where when the Bharatiya Janata Party sponsored.
Okay, so are you then saying that when JVC says 150 is the minimum, do you agree with that assessment? 150 to aega?
Absolutely. At this point of time, I agree. And I also agree with his another aspect that the kind of not projecting the CM phase by MVA has impacted them because all the three parties have fought together. And Mahayuti also not projecting a candidate as their CM phase has helped them, because had they projected someone...
Sajid Supariwala is not looking too happy. Sajid bhai, क्यों upset लग रहे हैं आप? If you are confident about the numbers, you should be smiling.
I'm very happy. I was just listening to all the panels here. I said I'll give my opinion after you ask me my opinion. So I'm very confident about the ground reality.
नहीं साजिद भाई, you will have to first smile for the viewers. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. आप आज
I'll tell you one thing.
एक बार हंस के दिखाइए.
Okay, now can I speak?
Yeah, please. देखिए आप संजू जी भी हंस रही हैं. चलिए.
The thing is that we are very much aware of the ground reality. The exit poll cannot be a decision maker for anybody of us. Let's be enthusiastic. Every party has a right to be enthusiastic about it and positive about it. But I'm sure the ground reality is something else. And my ground reality, which I had already spoken last time also, that this time what you are showing here, the places will change. The BJP, which you are showing 150 to 167, I think the Mahavikas Aghadi will come this side and Mahayuti will come on the second panel. I'm very sure about it, the second column. So this exit poll, I'm not an astrologer, but I know the ground reality, what has happened. I've worked on the ground for a long time, and I'm very much sure about the voters' opinion, which I've taken along. And I've seen the voters turn around in numbers. Though the numbers were expected that all the voters should have voted more, but the percentage was not, it should have been in Mumbai. But anyway, fine, Maharashtra will see our government coming back soon, and we'll show everybody only after the result tomorrow. Very positive about it.
No, so you are saying that Shiv Sena will be part of the government. Which faction that you are not clear about?
We are 100% sure about our Mahavikas Aghadi, and we will see tomorrow. We'll come up with my other opinions also. Right now, I'm just waiting and watching what is happening and trying to hear the panelists who are making we are already making me a success claps. But that's fine. But everybody has the right to be positive. Even I'm a very positive person. I'm very sure about the ground reality as well. Tomorrow we'll again speak on the same.
Okay.
दैनिक भास्कर
हाँ।
No, Pradesh,
नहीं भाई सिर्फ जेबीसी यहाँ है, दैनिक भास्कर का जवाब जेबीसी
दैनिक
क्यों देंगे?
भास्कर prediction is quite close to what's the reality.
Since yesterday, most of his fellow spokesperson, may it be Kishore Tiwari or may it be other spokespersons, they have categorically stated and have said that they do not mind going with the BJP if the need be. And over here, they have even on this channel they have said it. So
तो साजिद भाई बता दीजिए, कृष्णा हेगड़े जी हैं यहीं पे, आप बोल दीजिए, we are all together.
In that case, is Sanju ready to ditch Mr. Shinde for Uddhav Thackeray?
No.
Ask Sanju.
That's not the question.
Sanju से पूछो ना.
No. Let me rephrase that question. Sanju Verma, कृष्णा हेगड़े जी, मैं आ रहा हूं आपके पास. संजू वर्मा से एक सवाल पूछ रहे विवेक श्रीवास्तव, old friends. You see, Sanju Verma, if Uddhav Thackeray wants to come back, will you say yes?
No. Will you kick out Shinde?
No. That's not the question.
That is the right way. They will be together.
Can I please answer now? Vivek.
Yeah.
Vivek, आपने सवाल पूछा, अभी जवाब सुनिए.
बिल्कुल.
सवाल पूछा, जवाब सुनिए.
जी.
The mandate in 2019 assembly elections was for Devendra Fadnavis and Uddhav Thackeray led Sena. हमने अपना राजधर्म निभाया. We won 105 seats. Uddhav Sena then won just 54 seats. But Uddhav Sena ने बीजेपी को त्याग कर देवेंद्र फडणवीस के पीठ में छुरा भोंक कर आप चले गए. You went and sat in the lap of the Gandhis. When I say you, I mean Uddhav Thackeray. आपने हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाला साहेब ठाकरे की लेगेसी की धज्जियां उड़ा दी. और आज किस मुंह से उद्धव सेना का जो गुट है या उनके कुछ जो मेंबर्स हैं टीवी डिबेट पर आकर कहते हैं यदि बीजेपी ने हमको इनविटेशन दिया, वी डोंट माइंड. इनविटेशन देने का सवाल नहीं है. फडणवीस, एकनाथ शिंदे, अजीत पवार गुट को बहुमत मिलेगा. हमें कहीं और झांकने तक की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
No. When you say that, when you say that thing about invitation, आपको फिर ये सवाल पूछेंगे विवेक श्रीवास्तव कि अजीत पवार तो बिना इन्विटेशन के आ गए, 2 बार आ गए, एक बार तो इन्विटेशन के बिना आए और वापस चले गए.
Let me now come to this. मुझे पता था ये अजीत पवार को लेकर सवाल दोबारा जरूर आएगा. As things stand now, and I believe JVC, without any qualms, I'm saying that कि हम 150 पार करेंगे. 150 तो मैं लोअर लिमिट बता रही हूं, थोड़ा मैं कंजर्वेटिव हो रही हूं. It will be a thumping majority. On our own, we will be getting enough seats not to be looking here and there. And people who have been playing this football की कभी इधर और कभी उधर, उनके लिए भी एक मैसेज है that बीजेपी के साथ जो रहा है, चाहे वो छोटा पार्टनर है, इफ यू आर लॉयल, हमको चीफ मिनिस्टरशिप की भूख नहीं है. वहां पर बिहार में देखिए, नीतीश कुमार इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर. यहां पर एकनाथ शिंदे चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, जबकि सबसे ज्यादा सीटें बीजेपी की हैं.
आगे रहेंगे.
तो राजधर्म का पालन कर रही है बीजेपी.
अगर बाई चांस
राजधर्म का पालन हमने किया है.
कृष्णा हेगड़े जेवीसी श्रीराम कह रहे हैं कि 150 सीट आएगी कम से कम. साजिद सुपारी वाला कह रहे हैं कि ग्राउंड रियलिटी उनको पता है, एमबीए सरकार बनाएगी. आपको क्या लगता है?
देखिए, जितने भी एज मेनी पोलस्टर्स हैव प्रेडिक्टेड, maximum have predicted the victory of the Mahayuti. Some are showing it cut to cut and some are showing it, with a huge majority. With a huge majority, I am sure the Mahayuti, Ajit Dada, Devendra Fadnavis ji and Eknath Shinde ji form a very comfortable government. In the second scenario, if you go to look at 1995, there were 45 independents, after that 20, after that 35. And even in 2019, there were 13 independents. Yes. Apart from that, there are strong small parties like the MNS, there is the Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, there is the Peasants and Workers Party, Jan Swarajya Party, and so many RPI who are allies. And therefore, even in a worst case scenario, with our allies, we will form a very comfortable government and a strong government. In any case, our numbers are going to go 180 upwards
180
with our allies and on our own. So there is no question of us not forming the government. There is no question of the Maha Vikas Aghadi coming into the picture.
Okay.
But I take strong objection to what Vivek has just said. He just said kick out Shinde. I don't think this is the right way to refer to a chief minister of Maharashtra.
No, I just asked you
You're
about
right.
the relationship.
We must have
And I tell
a
you that
civilized discourse.
Shinde ji has proved,
I understand that.
proved, you have to have a civilized discussion here.
Exactly.
And
now,
it is
Lokesh,
like
Lokesh
this, that
wants to
Eknath
ask you
Shinde,
something.
he
Mr.
cannot be
Hegde,
ignored.
you are saying
He
180
has
for
proved
the
it in Lok Sabha
Mahayuti.
election,
Lokesh
and he
Jindal
is proved it again
wants
in
to
the
ask you
Lok Sabha.
something. He has a question for you.
Sir, in 2019 polls, we had the Vanchit gaining percentage more than 5%. And even this time, it is being expected that Vanchit Bahujan is going to have a greater share of percentage of votes. So, what is, do you think Mahayuti has any ground to accommodate Vanchit? Absolutely not. Vanchit at any point of time will go with Maha Vikas Aghadi, and this poll also 2024 we will be witnessing a rise of independence. Yes, I agree with your point. The independents, they play a very important role. Even this time we are expecting around 18 to 20 independents and a greater share by the Vanchit Bahujan. And then we will see on these lines the Maha Vikas Aghadi is going to have an advantage over Mahayuti.
Lokesh Jindal, 1 minute, sir. I just want to say something to Lokesh Jindal. What did Prakash Ambedkar say? Yes. Prakash Ambedkar said it is the MVA which is cutting into our votes. When Yogendra Yadav came to Mumbai, who went and protested? It was not BJP, it was not Shiv Sena, it was not NCP.
In the Lok Sabha polls,
Prakash Ambedkar. No, I'm talking about few.
In the Lok Sabha polls,
weeks ago, things have changed because you made Prakash Ambedkar. You guys made Prakash Ambedkar irrelevant in the Lok Sabha election.
No, he said he felt humiliated.
Yeah.
No, absolutely. No.
Probably Lokesh is not updated today.
No, Lokesh is updated. Lokesh, वो selected चीजें बोलते हैं. He's updated. Lokesh is well read.
I know what Prakash Ambedkar has stated.
That we don't mind going with anyone
who's forming the government. That's
so
all.
he is
Yeah,
clear.
so maybe he knows which way the wind is blowing.
Always been
Okay, Mr. Chachra hasn't spoken. Gaurav Chachra is also with us. Mr. Chachra, first of all, do you, how do you see the exit poll projections? The poll of polls? Or even if you were to, analyze what JVC is saying, he says 150 minimum for the Mahayuti.
एग्जिट पोल्स आर नॉट एग्जैक्ट पोल. एग्जिट पोल तो आपने देखा 2024 के चुनाव में भी 400 पार एग्जिट पोल भी बता रहा था. उत्तर प्रदेश में हमको 2 से 3 सीटें दी जा रही थी. तो एग्जिट पोल हमेशा गलत साबित हुआ है. थोड़ा समय का और वेट करिए, कुछ ही घंटे रह गए शेष. गेम चेंजर बनने वाले हैं अखिलेश. इंडिया गठबंधन गेम चेंज करने वाला है. आप देखिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सफाया होने वाला है, चाहे वो उत्तर प्रदेश का उपचुनाव हो, चाहे वो महाराष्ट्र का चुनाव हो.
In Bhiwandi, he is playing a game changer. In several seats, they are playing game changer by cutting into Congress votes. By contesting.
नहीं, ये गेम चेंज कौन करेगा? ये अखिलेश जी कर रहे हैं, ये नोमानी साहब कर रहे हैं. कौन है गेम चेंज कर कौन रहा है?
इंडिया गठबंधन जीतेगी.
इंडिया गठबंधन को तो आशीर्वाद है नोमानी का.
अहम भूमिका समाजवादी पार्टी की होगी.
नहीं, समाजवादी पार्टी तो ठीक है. ये विवेक श्रीवास्तव लाल सलाम भी दे रहे हैं. वो नोमानी साहब को सलाम कर रहे हैं विवेक श्रीवास्तव. देखिए चेहरे पे खुशी देखिए इनकी.
तो गौरव जी को लाल सलाम
देखिए खुशी देखिए कितनी
अलायंस आना चाहिए.
वो
वहीं पे ब्रेक लग गई है.
नहीं वो ठीक है. मैं एक बात बताता हूँ मिस्टर चाचरा, आपने तो सुना होगा वो कमेंट. एक क्लेरिक है नोमानी, वो कहते हैं कि बीजेपी के जो समर्थक हैं, वोटर हैं, उनका हुक्का बानी बंद होना चाहिए. क्या ये है समाजवाद? ये पीडीए? ये क्या है ये?
नहीं. हम तो कह रहे हैं उत्तर प्रदेश और देश की देवतुल्य जनता सब हमारी जनता है. हम तो चाह रहे हैं कैसे देश और तरक्की खुशहाली के रास्ते पे जाए. ये तो बीजेपी वाले ऐसे काम करते हैं.
आपको पता है अबू आजमी किससे मिले?
कैसे कठपुतली बना चाहे इन्होंने प्रशासन.
अबू आजमी वरुण सिंह अबू आजमी किससे मिलके आए? आशीर्वाद लेने गए थे.
निकलने दिया. कैसे बंदूक के नोक पे उधर बैलेट पेपर से चोरी करती है, बुलेट से चोरी.
महाराष्ट्र में समाजवादी
बुलेट वाला वीडियो उसका लार्जर जो क्लिप है वो अखिलेश जी ने नहीं डाला. चाचा जी ऐसे तो मिसलीड मत कीजिए. देखिए एक और क्लिप है जिसके बारे में बात हो रहा है. राहुल गांधी का एक क्लिप है, ये देखिए. बीजेपी ने ये क्लिप पोस्ट किया और बीजेपी कह रही है कि दलित विरोधी है कांग्रेस. पहले मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे को रूम के बाहर खड़ा कर दिया. वो ऐसे झांक रहे थे कि मुझे भी ले लो, मुझे भी अंदर जाने दो. उसके बाद आज यहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट का ये वीडियो है।
एक मिनट, तो मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे को अध्यक्ष बनाया वो नहीं दिख रहा? मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे को पार्टी का अध्यक्ष बनाया वो नहीं दिख रहा आपको?
The Congress has done him a favor.
No, it's not that.
No,
don't say it is Dalit Virodhi.
Why are you saying this?
Don't say Dalit Virodhi है।
अध्यक्ष बनाया
दलितों के लिए इंडिया अलायंस खड़ा हुआ है।
संजू वर्मा the cat is out of the bag. Hey, 1 minute. अध्यक्ष बनाया कांग्रेस ने। कांग्रेस
बिल्कुल बनाया।
इसका क्या मतलब?
क्योंकि दलितों को रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं।
अध्यक्ष बनाया मतलब क्या हुआ?
दलितों को रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं,
दलितों को ऐसा
अपनी
रेस्पेक्ट
पलकों पर बिठा के रखता है इंडिया अलायंस
ये देखिए
और कांग्रेस पार्टी।
जो वीडियो है लोकेश जिंदल, ये वीडियो विवेक श्रीवास्तव आप भी देखिए।
तो इसमें भाई हर चीज में दलित ले आओगे आप। अरे आप मुझे कल माला पहनाने लोगों बाई चांस में रोक लूं तो इसका मतलब
बाई चांस
ये कुछ नहीं है।
संजू वर्मा छोटी कह रहे कांग्रेस दलित विरोधी
जो इस वक्त
संजू वर्मा
सबसे बड़ा सेक्युलर लीडर है तो राहुल गांधी है।
संजू वर्मा, why is the BJP saying Congress is anti-Dalit?
You know, I want to say one thing to you, Pranesh. I've given this data umpteen times on your show, but I'm not tired of reinforcing it. Your audience needs to hear this. सिर्फ 20 सेकंड में मैं कांग्रेस और उद्धव ठाकरे, इनका जो गठबंधन है, इनकी हिपोक्रेसी को आपके दर्शकों के सामने दर्शाना चाहती हूं। टुडे इन महाराष्ट्र, द रिजर्वेशन इज लाइक दिस: 13% फॉर दलित्स यानी शेड्यूल कास्ट, 7% फॉर आदिवासीज यानी शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स, 19% फॉर ओबीसीज, 2% फॉर स्पेशल बैकवर्ड क्लासेस, 3% फॉर विमुक्त जनजाति, 2.5% for nomadic tribe category B, 3.5% for nomadic tribe category C, including Dhangars, and 2% for Banjaras, including nomadic category D, which comes to a grand total of 52%. तो अभी भी जब महाविनाश अघाड़ी कहती है मुसलमानों को हम यदि सत्ता में आए 4% छोड़िए हम आपको 10% देंगे, the only way महाविनाश अघाड़ी can give 10% is by either overruling the Supreme Court, which says that Maharashtra is already touching the upper threshold of 52%. या तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट जो है उसका उल्लंघन करके आप 10% मुसलमानों को दे सकते हैं, या फिर आप 10% मुसलमानों को तब दे सकते हैं if you take the 13% of Dalits or 7% of Adivasis or 19% of OBCs or 3.5% of Dhangars.
ये सवाल चंद्रबाबू नायडू से नहीं पूछा गया। You did not have the guts to ask this question to Chandrababu Naidu. Why 4% reservation for Muslims?
Gentlemen, 1 minute. Lokesh.
Sanju ji, please answer. Why has the commission time and again postponed the examinations? Why has the recruitment in the Maharashtra government lagging? And why is it that there has been protests after protests in Maharashtra due to the non-working of MPSC? Tell me, you have given me the reservation quota percentage.
She's talking about a larger question.
No, the point is the government has failed to give employment.
Lokesh,
the government has failed to. It has only the reservation quota on paper. But there are no recruitments taking place.
You know, we are diverting from the main issue.
No, we are talking about the main issue.
Take 30 seconds and answer, then we move on to other things. Yes.
Pranesh, there's a very nice question. You know, be it Vivek or be it the Samajwadi Party representative, you keep bringing up this 4% which has been given to Muslims in Andhra Pradesh. That 4% is within the Supreme Court threshold. Andhra Pradesh में 52% का upper limit touch नहीं हुआ. पहली बात तो ये.
Reservation for Muslims.
दूसरी बात.
No, so you support reservation for Muslims. You have no ideological problem.
You are saying we will give quota within quota to Muslims in Maharashtra. Supreme Court has said quota within quota is illegal. अब जवाब दो, कोटा विद इन कोटा कौन कह रहा है? आप लोग कह रहे हो। हम तो कोटा विद इन कोटा देने की बात ही नहीं कर रहे।
नहीं,
कोटा विद इन कोटा मुसलमानों को कैसे दे सकते हो?
No. Vivek Srivastava is being very clever. Vivek Srivastava, the problem is on religious quota.
Yeah.
That's where the problem is.
BJP agrees to give religious quota.
No, she is only telling
she
you.
has said that.
She is only.
वो कह रही है she has no problem with 4% in.
Varun, quick answer.
Two things. Firstly, they say that they respect the Dalits, but the MVA in Maharashtra has disrespected no one else but Prakash Ambedkar so badly. In the 2024 elections, Uddhav Thackeray misled Prakash Ambedkar to the extent कि भैया last moment तक उनको बोला था कि हम आपको MVA में accommodate कर रहे हैं. And who were the people who decided not to take Prakash Ambedkar? It was the Congress and the NCP who said no, we can't have an alliance with him because he eats our vote bank. You which
No, so are you saying that there is a pattern of Congress insulting Dalit leaders?
Absolutely.
Okay.
what else will you say?
Absurd.
How is it absurd? आपके साथ लड़े क्या?
This shows you have no understanding of the ground reality.
आपके ground reality क्या है?
No,
ground reality.
I'll tell you what the
finish.
What was the reality? I'll tell you the ground reality.
Invited by
I'll tell you the ground reality. No, but I'll tell you the ground reality.
Answer the question on Prakash Ambedkar.
Was
he not
invited by
promised
Uddhav
sun,
Thackeray?
moon and the stars?
Last minute, till the last minute, he was waiting.
And
that is the reason why he's opposing now.
Political understanding doesn't
Of
mean
course,
doesn't make somebody
you
anti-Dalit.
can have political understanding. Okay, let him answer.
Wait a second. You and your India alliance couldn't find space for Prakash Ambedkar's party.
But that doesn't
in the
make us
Lok Sabha
anti-Dalit.
election,
That doesn't
and
make
you
us
say that you're
anti-Dalit.
giving space to Dalits.
Seat sharing, if it fails, it doesn't make
You speak. The very agenda that VBA stands for is the agenda that Congress is fighting for.
So,
So
the point is,
so natural
the
alliance.
point is, no.
One minute.
Tell me,
one minute.
that very agenda,
Let me ask you a larger
Congress
question.
is there on the
Let me
ground.
ask you a larger question then. फिर मुझे ये बताइए कि अगर वो नेचुरल अलायंस हैं तो उनको नहीं लिया आपने, but you are in an alliance with Uddhav Thackeray.
We have always opened the door for them to join the Congress.
Then what are your views on Savarkar?
What we will say, see,
what are your views on Savarkar?
the Congress stand is based upon certain historical facts.
What historical facts?
The historical facts. I mean, let there be.
National icon.
No,
Indira Gandhi has.
No. India Alliance, listen to me very clearly. India Alliance has a common minimum program.
That's okay.
And certain contentious issues like Savarkar are not discussed in it. That has been clarified by Thackeray himself.
Calm down 1 minute. कृष्णा हेगड़े जी, लोकेश जिंदल से मैं पूछ रहा हूं व्हाट ही थिंक्स ऑफ सावरकर, उस पे एक शब्द नहीं निकल रहा है.
नहीं, उसके मुंह से भी एक शब्द नहीं निकलेगा और उद्धव ठाकरे जी के स्पोक्सपर्सन के मुंह से भी एक शब्द नहीं निकलेगा, क्योंकि ये हिंदुत्व भूल गए, अभी सावरकर जी को भूल गए. सावरकर जी को जो कांग्रेस कहती है माफी वीर, और बाद में राहुल गांधी को अपोलोजाइज करना पड़ता है, और उद्धव ठाकरे जी अभी भी राहुल गांधी जी के साथ है.
क्यों जताई? और
जब
नो टेल मी वन थिंग, हेगड़े साहब, पंकजा मुंडे जी ने आपत्ति क्यों जताई थी कि कटेंगे, एक है तो सेफ है या बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, इस बात पर पंकजा मुंडे जी ने आपत्ति जताई और आपको स्टैंड वापस लेना पड़ा.
Let's talk about Savarkar. साजिद सुपारी वाला is saying something. साजिद भाई
हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाला साहब ठाकरे,
नहीं वो तो बोलेंगे लोकेश जिंदल बोलेंगे, राहुल गांधी बोलेंगे. क्या दिखा रहे हैं आप साजिद भाई? मोबाइल बंद हो गया है.
I'm showing you the screenshot of what Sanjay Raut ji has already, it has been cleared. He has met Rahul Gandhi ji and what Uddhav Thackeray ji has spoken. That is there with me with a screenshot. The News of India today, News Desk, March 29, 2023.
Okay.
I will read the content.
Rahul Gandhi.
I'll answer.
This is the reason why I tell MBA is a mix of whiskey, lassi, gomutra.
Which is what?
What? Whiskey is
And what
Congress.
is Mahayuti?
Lassi is
what is Mahayuti?
Maga Vikas Agadi.
No, whiskey is Congress.
Lassi is Sharad Pawar ji, sugarcane. Okay, Gomutra is, earlier it was Uddhav Thackeray.
And what about Mahayuti?
Gomutra.
What about Mahayuti? What about Mahayuti?
Camel urine.
Now, what about Mahayuti?
No, okay, 1 minute. Answer. साजिद सुपारी वाला, आप बोल रहे हैं राहुल गांधी को रेप्रीमांड किया था, उस दिन तहसील ने आपको रेप्रीमांड कर दिया, अभी लोकेश करेंगे.
मेरे पास स्लिप है. This comes after शिवसेना लीडर उद्धव बाला ठाकरे told Rahul Gandhi that insult towards Savarkar will not be tolerated. It is already mentioned. I'm sending you the screenshot.
मैं आपसे बस एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. देखिए कृष्णा हेगड़े ने तो हाथ जोड़ लिया. मैं आपसे बस एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ.
Ask him no.
एक मिनट.
When Savarkar's photograph was inaugurated in Karnataka Assembly, Congress leaders walked out.
Why go that far? Lokesh is here. 1 minute. साजिद भाई सुन तो लीजिए, ऐसे मत कीजिए सर. You have to listen to the question. आप बोले जा रहे हैं तब से.
No, any topic that you bring these Savarkar only, you want to create a misunderstanding between Congress and Shivsena. It will not happen. You give up.
Why? Savarkar is not important. Savarkar is not important.
I have created this
I am asking you one simple question. Tell Lokesh Jindal, 1 minute. Tell Lokesh Jindal, your alliance partner, to say 2 words in praise of Veer Savarkar.
No, why should anyone say?
You say 2 words in praise of Uddhav Thackeray.
Bolliye, Lokesh, if you want to answer. Who do you think Mr. Savarkar was? What is Savarkar's legacy?
Yes. See, democracy is all about consensus building.
Yes.
The more consensus we build,
एक मिनट, एक तो आई
from all ideologies.
श्रीवास्तव कोचिंग ये आप बीच में आप उसको ये क्या बोल रहे हैं कि ये बोलो वो बोलो
we are building consensus.
ये तो जबरदस्त अलायंस है स्टूडियो में भी
कंसेंसस है हमारा।
बात करिए इनका
आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है।
इनका सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट चेंज
नेचुरल कंसेंसस
श्रीवास्तव
कैंडिडेट है इनका।
अरे भाई he is more intelligent.
Absolutely not. I mean,
If he talks about Wayanad, then you will not coach him. You will coach him.
no. Wait.
Krishna
Let me
Hegde
say,
is saying something.
allow me to say.
Krishna Hegde, 1 minute. Krishna Hegde is saying something.
क्या हुआ कृष्णा जी?
No, Pradesh, let me tell you, these people, they don't know where, they are sitting together, they are fighting. Who gives the speech first, they are fighting. Their CM is not coming, their Mahavikas Agadi is not coming to the power, still they are fighting who will be, kaun banega Mukhyamantri. Now they have forgotten Hindutva, they have forgotten Sanatan, they have forgotten Ram Mandir, they have forgotten Bala Saheb Thakere's ideology, they have forgotten Savarkar, they have forgotten, they like no money, they like Ulema Council, they all like All India Personal Law Board, they like
criticizing
OSC.
You know what?
Now they have become
You are right,
party.
Mr. Hegde. I remember what Mr.
they have
Vijayan
become a
has said
Muslim
about
party.
Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah.
Question the Congress's secular credentials, and then you have Vivek Srivastava who puts Rahul Gandhi above Pinarayi Vijayan. Vivek Srivastava, ये क्या है ऐसा? Who is a bigger leader, Rahul Gandhi or Pinarayi Vijayan?
He's not doing that.
Vivek Srivastava.
They cannot be compared.
Why?
Pinarayi Vijayan is the chief minister of a particular state. Rahul Gandhi doesn't hold any such positions. He's the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. So how are you comparing the two? And both of them are
मैं बोल रहा हूँ
contributing.
बड़ा नेता कौन है?
नहीं, बड़ा और छोटा नहीं होता ना सर, सब मिलके काम कर रहे हैं।
आपके लिए कौन है बड़ा नेता?
लोकेश जिंदल ने एक शब्द यूज किया था,
नहीं, लोकेश जिंदल नहीं, पिनराई विजयन। आप तो लोकेश को तब से बोल रहे ये बोलो उसमें मत बोलो ये बोलो, सब सुनाई दे रहा है।
नथिंग लाइक दैट।
आप
प्रणेश साजिद सुपारी वाला सावरकर के ऊपर ज्यादा बोल नहीं पा रहे। मुझे
नहीं, वो बोल पा रहे हैं, लेकिन
आई हैव वन थिंग टू से कि उनको अफसोस इस बात का है कि बाला साहब ठाकरे ने मणिशंकर अय्यर के पुतले को
बाला साहब मारा था तो मिसेस इंदिरा गांधी के को इमरजेंसी में समर्थन भी दिया था। तो वो पता है आपको
कांग्रेस के बारे में क्या बोला था?
आपको सपोर्ट
कांग्रेस के बारे में क्या बोला था? कांग्रेस के बारे में क्या बोला था?
इसमें तो पार्टियों का
संजय राउत बोलते हमने बाबरी मस्जिद तोड़ दी।
ये क्या मतलब है?
ओके।